Welcome to Future Lists. Today, this video will introduce 10 amazing inventions that are on another level.
Meet the next generation of fire with the Campstove 2. A portable wood-burning stove that creates smokeless flames while generating usable electricity so you can cook your meals and charge your devices all at the same time. Now with updated thermoelectrics, the Campstove 2 provides 50% more power than the Campstove 1 and incorporates an onboard battery so you can store your electricity for whenever you need it. The updated LED interface provides real-time feedback on what's going on inside and features 4 fan speeds to control the size of your fire. Integrate with BioLite accessories for a perfect camp kitchen that you can bring anywhere. And anytime you go off-grid with BioLite, you're helping us bring safe, reliable energy to households around the world. Clean energy is all around us. We just need the right tools to unlock it. Discover a smarter, cleaner campfire with the Campstove 2.
Say goodbye to heavy power saws, awkward, dangerous ladders, and expensive tree services. This high-limb chainsaw makes it safe and easy to trim hard-to-reach branches from the ground. Toss the safety throwing weight over the hard-to-reach branch you want to cut. Then use the 25-foot non-conductive polypropylene control ropes to cut the branch. The patented bimatic teeth cut in both directions for maximum sawing efficiency. And the carbon steel blade can be resharpened for years of reliable use. Cut all sizes of branches and tree limbs safely, easily, and quickly with this professional quality high-limb chainsaw. Proudly made.
Is the Origin a survival kit, a multi-tool, a waterproof storage case? But the Origin, made from durable ABS plastic, inside the case and protected by a machined silicone waterproof gasket, you have a collection of essential survival tools, including waterproof and windproof Tinder-Quick fire-starting tinder, stainless steel wire, and nylon cord, great for rigging shelter or repairing gear. Under the lid, wilderness expert Buck Tilton's survival instructions provide 62 tips and tricks, ranging from building a shelter to using fire to signal rescuers. On the other side of the lid, we've added a flip-up rescue flash signal mirror with a retro-reflective aimer that can send a signal up to 10 miles away. Flip the Origin over for the one-hand operable Firelight Sparker, a liquid-damped compass for navigation, and a removable multifunction knife. The drop point knife blade is AUS-8 steel, and the front of the handle has an LED light that shines down the blade for task cutting in low light. The Origin is the first of its kind, but the only...
CAMCO's premium travel toilet. It's a durable, comfortable option for camping, hunting, road trips, and boat trips. It's made of ABS resin and it seals in unpleasant odors for an overall better travel toilet experience. The top features a larger size seat than most competitors. It's an increased bowl size. It's big enough for increased size seats. Its lid can be conveniently latched for easier transport. The freshwater tank holds almost 4 gallons of water, and it utilizes this piston action flushing mechanism, which fires water out of these 3 water jets to help effectively rinse the bowl. The holding tank here has a sliding gate valve that opens for waste and closes to create an odor-tight and watertight seal. Also, the top is easy to detach and reattach from the holding tank thanks to this simple, single, spring-loaded locking latch. That's all there is to it. The interior of the holding tank has a smooth surface to make waste removal more efficient. The holding tank also has this easy emptying elbow which swivels to give you more control when you're emptying out the holding tank. You just turn the elbow, take the cap off, tilt it up, empty it out, put it back together. CAMCO's premium.
The SAWYER Mini is the most versatile personal filtration system available. It's a perfect solution for backpacking, hiking, hunting, fishing, scouting, international travel, and emergency preparedness. At a mere 2 ounces, the Mini fits in the palm of your hand and can filter up to 100,000 gallons of water from any freshwater lake, river, or stream. The SAWYER Mini has a 0.1 micron absolute pore size. It was tested to 10 million parts of bacteria and 1 million parts of protozoa without a single breakthrough. This is the highest level filters can be tested to, so we're confident these are the highest rates of filtration available. The SAWYER Mini will remove harmful bacteria and protozoa like Giardia and Cryptosporidium, but it won't remove chemicals or viruses. However, viruses are rarely found in the water in North America and in foreign cities. The Mini can be used the following ways. Attach it to a SAWYER squeeze pouch and drink directly from the filter or dispense into a water bottle. Use it as a personal drinking straw to drink directly from the source or scoop up a bottle of water and drink instantly. The Mini screws directly onto most standard water bottles, which is great for suspect water overseas. Use it inline on a hydration pack. This allows you to fill your hydration pack directly from the source and filter water as you're drinking through the bite valve. SAWYER filters are so robust, they can be backwashed with high pressures and reused over and over again. Cleaning the SAWYER Mini is really simple. You just take the included cleaning plunger and fill it up with some filtered water. Then take the Mini and insert the tip of the plunger into the end of the filter opposite of the flow arrow. Then forcefully push the water back through the Mini. You repeat this process a couple times until the water comes through clear and easy and you have a clean filter.
Do you agree with our picks? You'll find links in the description to these gadgets if they sparked your creativity and interest. Comment below on which gadget was your favorite. Be sure to check out our other clips from future lists, and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos. We'll catch you in the next one.